how to connect your Twitch account with your Blizzard Battle.net account. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Twitch, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click right here and click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Now on this page, all what you have to do is click here on connections. After you click on connections, here you will find Blizzard Battle.net. Choose the country that you want and click connect from here. As you can see, it's so easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.